I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to sound out all the 24 sounds of consonant. But wait, did I just say 24? Aren't there only 21 consonants? Yes guys, according to Standard British English and Standard American English, there are 24 sounds made by consonants. Want to know how? Watch the video till the end. There are 18 sounds made by individual consonants, and there are 6 sounds made by certain combinations of consonants. Let's go through the 18 individual sounds. B, D, F, G, J, K, L, M, N, P, R, S, T, V, W, Y, Z. Want to know these sounds in details? Watch my previous video. The link is given in the description box. Now, let's talk about the rest of the 6 sounds. But before that, hit the like button, share my video and subscribe my channel. As I said earlier, these consonant sounds are made by certain combinations of consonants. Ch as in chips, ch as in chair, sh as in shoes, sh as in sheep, f as in photo, f as in phone, w as in we, w as in what, th as in thunder, th as in thanks, the as in this, the as in that. Most of the consonants make only one exclusive sound, except these ones. The letter C says k in cat, s in center. The letter G says g in goat and j in gems. The letter S says s in snake and z in was. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.